Hey Internet, so this is 100 jobs that are safe from AI or highly resistant to artificial intelligence. Basically, three factors it comes down to is like intricate physical dexterity, so using your hands to do like little nitpicky things or things that are really, I guess, hard to do or hard to reach. And then, of course, you've got like the social aspect, and then you've got your human cognition and like the reasoning aspect as well. So that's two reasons. So physical dexterity and human response or cognition. And third is just like your environment where like it's actually difficult to implement robotics and AI. So whether that is underwater or around magnetism and so on. So we won't go into all these roles. We can talk about some of the categories. So healthcare, of course, you really want AI to complement you, but you don't want to fully trust your life in like the AI's hands. Sure, the doctor and nurses may use AI to help them, but it's always best to have a human, I guess, insight. Education, teachers, instructors, researchers, of course. I mean, everyone's still going to be learning, so they're not really going anywhere. Creative professions, so music, art, writing, journalists. Despite what people say about AI art and AI music, I think there's a human factor that makes human creation like more distinct. It's not just like your generic 1 billion AI track piece. It's actually, I guess, something meaningful. And I think journalists is fine. I mean, journalists deep dive into various topics, corrupt politicians, etc. So that's fine. I think TV hosts will be like news anchors might be replaced, but real journalists are going to be around for a long time. So personal services, that makes sense. Hairdressers, cosmeticologists. I'm guessing that's like nails and stuff. I'm not sure. Personal trainers, coaches. Yeah, okay, cool. So agriculture and outdoor. So farming, food. Sure, okay. Oil and gas, bad for the environment, but I suppose that makes sense. You need oil rigs and people to drill oils. Fine. Athletes, of course. Automotive repair. Okay. Construction, a lot of physical labor. Yeah, I agree with that. I think until they fully have like a autonomous robot or humanoid robot, a lot of like labor is going to be there. Okay, so I think I mentioned already the sources of this is from UC Berkeley and from the US Labor of Statistics. Okay, moving on. Food services, everyone's got to eat. Fair enough. Mathematicians, statisticians. Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, you need like mathematical models for things. So, key example would be like models for different viruses or let's say pandemic. So yeah, sure. Okay, accountants. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. I mean, accountants, you definitely need to find loopholes for taxes. No one wants to pay taxes. Digital media, web and digital interface designers. Ooh, hard to say about that one. Court reporters. I feel like it's scraping the barrel. Okay, so proofreaders, copy markers, new analysts. I feel like those are replaceable, to be honest. Maybe not analysts. Okay, admin, bank tellers, postal clerks, other stuff. Alright, salesman. I mean, some of these are replaceable, to be honest. And I did ask, I guess, the AI chatbot both ChatGPT and Copilot, what they think that it will be most likely to be replaced out of these top 100. So we'll go have a look at the very end. And from 67 onwards, healthcare and therapy, I think UC Berkeley and the US Labor of Statistics kind of got lazy and just started naming every healthcare professional. But yeah, from 67 to 100, it's pretty much all healthcare. And then some that have just been skipped, so emergency services, police, firefighter, paramedic, military. I can't believe they missed out on plumber and electrician. It's like, really? You think AI is gonna replace a plumber and an electrician? No way. But since they missed it, I put it in there, and I know the list can technically go on forever, but I felt like that was definitely needed to be said. Also, I guess for construction, so they didn't mention carpenter, but carpenter and builder should probably be on that list as well. Engineering is half true, like the software side, like the computer side. I think using AI to optimize the design, sure. The physical side, like implementing the product, is probably not going to be replaced by AI and robots, not anytime soon. And software is yes and no. Currently there is AI software engineers, but the success rate's only 14%, while it's the worst it can get right now. That's still an 86% fail rate at its current capacity. So yeah, it's not great, but I'm sure it will improve in the future. And researchers for all categories, I think they're not going to go away. So I did ask AI chatbot, so GPT and Copilot, what they think of this list and what will be replaced from this list. So admin, yeah, makes sense. Bank tellers, postal clerks, I think there will still be some humans that do that stuff. You still need like a person to set up your bank account, so I don't think they're going anywhere, but there will definitely be less. Same with postal services, like you need your packages and stuff, so they're not going away, but it will definitely be automated. I think ticket clerks, I mean, everyone just uses like QR codes now, so no. I mean, who likes telemarketers? Seriously, that should just be automated. You know what? Instead of automated, just don't even have telemarketers. It's a waste of time. Right, tax preppers, accountants, again, yes and no. I think like there'll be less, but you definitely need accountants to legally evade taxes for like tax loopholes. So yeah, I think there is still a need for accountants. So we'll gloss over design and media. I think all of those are pretty much easily replaceable by AI. So web UI designers, court reporters, captioners, proofreaders, copy markers, yeah, new analysts. I disagree on that one. I think analysts has their own, like, I think they've got their own thing going. So they're probably safe. Now the major disagreement is automotive repair. Ain't no way AI is going to replace. I think US Berkeley and the US Labor of Statistics would agree with me on this one. I think automotive repair is not going to go away anytime soon. Alright. And yes, I am from New Zealand and I'm using US sources. It's a bit weird, but I mean, it's very similar. Like, jobs around the world is very similar. And I know each country has their own niche and their own specialties, but this is very general, so it works out. So I asked the train of thought for both the AI, and they kind of gave a generic response. Like, they're saying that the process can be automated with machinery. Okay. Using software to analyze the problem with the bus and trucks. So I think it's more like to augment the automotive repair industry rather than to fully replace them. They even say it there, like it won't fully replace the people that are in the repair industry, but there will be machines and software that make it a little bit more efficient and faster, and that makes sense. So in a way, their response is, yeah, partly true. Part of it is going to be replaced, but like the mechanics themselves aren't going to be replaced anytime soon. But maybe the process of repairing and installing broken glass, same with motorbikes, tire repairs. The process will be different, but I think mechanics will still be there. Okay, so my take from this 100 list is, I suppose if you want a safe job from AI, do something that is physical and has like a complex dexterity. Now, would you want to do physical labor? Probably not. Automotive repair? Maybe if you're into cars. Sure. Cars, motorbikes, etc. Now, if you're into the healthcare side, of course, helping people is always great, but there's always downsides where patients like have physical abuse, verbal abuse, etc. Education, if you want to be a teacher, you need to have a patience of a saint to teach kids, to be honest. And yeah, we all know that university lecturers kind of don't care about the undergrads. They're just contracted to teach undergrads. So that's a thing. I mean, they care about their research. That is what it is. And I think the key takeaway is keep on learning, keep on investing yourself. Like, sure, if you're working in these sectors, your job may be safe for now, but it's always good to upskill yourself and level up. So don't be complacent. And I think like even if you're in these industry, your job can be replaced in other ways. So yeah, just keep upskilling, keep learning different skills, and you'll be fine. Also, I think there is what is the US Marine motto? I believe it was react, adapt, survive. So as the age of artificial intelligence and automation arises, I think what we need to do is to react to the situation, adapt to the situation, and learn how to survive the, I guess, oncoming AI job apocalypse. Now, as someone switching from a mechanical engineering to a software engineering degree, I think like, yeah, just do what you feel is best for you. I mean, from my personal engineering experience, I think like engineering has got maybe 2 decades left before like things get automated away. Also, when you get older, doing physical stuff is just a little bit harder, especially when you get like arthritis and things like that. So just switching to a more knowledge base to software is the key to go, or the way to go. So those are my takeaways. I know this is a off video from my usual engineering tutorials. Just wanted to make these kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below. Is your job safe from AI and artificial intelligence? If not, consider a job change. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.